Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to show your location in Snapchat. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your whereabouts with your friends and make your snaps more engaging. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once Snapchat is open, tap on the account icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, find the gear icon representing the settings. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. In the settings menu, locate and tap on See My Location. This option allows you to control whether your friends can see your location on the Snap Map. Step 5. Within the See My Location menu, ensure that the Ghost Mode is disabled. Ghost Mode hides your location from other Snapchat users. By following these simple steps, you can easily show your location in Snapchat, allowing your friends to see where you are and making your snaps more interactive. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.